Welcome guys to another episode of MRC, Motorcycle Rides in California. And I got a fun one for you guys today. Kind of a mixture. It's going to be two roads combined into one that I really thought that if you are in the Oceanside area, Vista, Fallbrook, whatever, and you want to make your way through to the 15, instead of just taking the 76, take this little fun little road. So, you know, just give it a shot. It's actually a really fun, beautiful ride, smooth, and at the right time, you will definitely get no traffic, but if you do come at the wrong time, you're definitely going to get normal traffic of people. So guys, definitely do as normal, like, share, and all that fun stuff, and you know, give me a big thumbs up. As my normal, this will be with commentary and my normal jokes.
Hello? That's not funny!
And stuff like that. So, oh, and by the way, if any of you guys are wanting more content, well, let me know in the comments. Or just say hi. I don't care. But whatever the case is, hit me up. Take care. Peace out. Be safe. Ride smart. Be smart. All that fun stuff.
A little lizard. Okay guys, as normal, I mean look at all the people that do donuts. Wow. I guess this is a place that a lot of people do trouble. I wanted to say before I get deep into this road what my ranking is. And all my videos, when I give a trail or anything of that nature, I always kind of give you guys my ranking scale, 1 to 5. And if you want, there's my one video that I will put on. Now I'd actually like to redo it because my microphone was severely popping that time. But anyways, this one is a solid 3 to 4. The reason why I want to give it a 3 to 4 is because you are kind of isolated. So therefore, if you wanted to do this kind of back and forth, you really don't have a lot of people that are on this road. There's only one section that's a really big bummer, and that's the one with going through the little like homes. But this is a fun little road. Now this part right here is just basic, right? But when we get to Bonsall and we actually take it through, most people that live in Bonsall, they're more than aware of this road, but it's a beautiful little, I call it a countryside road. So anyways, this is it for a little bit, and then we'll get to the other fun stuff. So I'll be quiet now. The 25-mile-per-hour part that I said that was kind of a bummer. Once you take this through and you get to the one section, then it gets a little bit funner. That dude was struggling. This is Old River Road. We're gonna turn right, and this now becomes what's on the road. Now, one of my previous videos some time ago, and hopefully I'll be able to put it in the description, I call this the Bonsall. So if you turn left on this road right here, West Lilac, that takes you on another phenomenal ride. But this one is actually very similar to this ride. That's why I'm giving it a 3 to 4, you know, 3 plus. But the reason why is because of the scenic.
Too much! That's what it means.
It is actually a really beautiful ride, and for somebody that lives in the Southern California, San Diego area, and you're willing to, you know, in this vicinity, and you just wanted to hit it up before you hit some of the big boys like Palomar Mountain or Ortega or stuff like that, do roads like this. Get used to the bike, get the bike to work for you, and then you can do that. That's why I do these roads. That's why I put these little videos out. Oh, and by the way, I did Sunset at Bonsall. I did it again on this one. Did I do it on purpose? Maybe.
Did you just soil yourself?
Maybe.
Oh yeah. This one is kind of a sharp right turn, but there's one turn coming up that it is, in my opinion, it's fantastic. I love
This is fantastic. I'm in heaven.
the turn. This one right here. If I knew that there was no police officers, I would do it much faster, but I'm being a good boy and I want
First, obey the law.
to just, you could take that one so much faster, drop a knee, and just enjoy that turn. Look at that. It's a beautiful road. It's just a beautiful kickback side road. It's short, but imagine doing this back and forth. You know, like right now, I could go ahead and turn around and do it again, just for the fun of it, you know? And you know, practice motorcycle riding. I could do that all day if I wanted to. Look at that, that is just gorgeous. Look at that right there. That's just beautiful. And we like seeing that right there. 25 miles per hour. That means it has a little bit of a kick. Ooh, look at that wall. catch up to this car. And look at the wineries. You got a different winery right here somehow. I don't know what. Look, it's a rock.
It's not just a boulder, it's a rock.
Oh, look at that. Oh. See? That's why I ranked it a little bit higher. It's super smooth. Woo! And it's just fun. And it's easy. You know, it's pretty flat. So you don't have to worry about climbing or doing anything or, you know, high spots or nothing like that. Ooh, fantastic. Well, pretty much, guys, this is going to wrap it up. That's it. After this turn, we get to the 15 freeway, and there it is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and, for the fun of it, I will turn around and I will do the road again. How's that sound? Does that sound good to you guys? This is just fantastic.
This is fantastic. That's pretty much going to wrap it up. As I always say in all my videos, ride smart, be smart, don't do drugs. And again, if you did get to this part of the video, please guys, watch some of the other ones and share it with your friends, especially if you have other riders. And that's it. So guys, take care, enjoy, and again, as always,
Clintastic from MRC says, have a great day. Bye-bye.